Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to create stickers on WhatsApp. So let's start the video. Open WhatsApp application and go to chat section. Here tap on emoji icon left side of the chat box. Now tap on create icon left side of mobile screen. Here select a photo for creating sticker from photos gallery and wait for a few seconds. Stickers will be created automatically as you can see. If you want to add text on sticker, so tap on text icon top right corner of mobile screen and tap on emoji icon if you want to add emoji on sticker. Finally, adjust your sticker with 2 fingers and tap on send button. You can see that I created sticker on WhatsApp. So in this way you can also create stickers on WhatsApp. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.